In this episode, Ray's smartphone gets smashed up filming from the car. We scout around remote beaches and a waterfall before we visit a raft of tourist hotspots such as bungee jumping.
Let's go.
That was the sorrowful sound of my Galaxy 5 smartphone biting the bitumen. It was doing a sterling job at filming video from our vehicle until the suction mount slipped and sent my poor phone to imminent destruction. We stopped the car, picked up the pieces, and amazingly, the phone still worked. Okay, I just found my phone spread all over the flipping road. It's in 3 parts, probably smashed up. Car ran over that. See if I can put it back together somehow. What the hang, it works! It's powering up. We have another camera. Woo! Oh my god, it works! Look, Lynette. At Bruce Bay, we added our names to a pile of white stones. Unfortunately, the midday sun was too harsh for serious photography. We pushed on south to Ship Cove and drank in the raw beauty of this wild lagoon. The stunted scrub, the tannin-coloured water, the crashing thunder of the Tasman Sea. Awesome. This is nature at its wildest. At Thunder Creek, Ray took some time out to shoot the falls.
Beautiful.
We crossed through the gates of Haast before climbing over the pass and into Otago, driving alongside the beautiful Lake Wanaka. At Lake Hawea, we stopped at a roadside lay-by. The attractive lighting on Brest Hill caught my attention as worthy of a photograph. Once this little photo shoot was over, we spent the night at Wanaka. Good morning. We're here at the Wanaka Holiday Park and we've just had a big, well-deserved sleep-in after crossing Haast Pass yesterday, and do a bit of scouting around Arrowtown and Lake Hayes, and hopefully we'll find some primo places to do more tutorials for you. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm just outside the AJ Hackett bungee jumping. Hopefully we can video inside or get a really cool shot of someone doing a bungee jump. It's Ray here. We're on the Kawarau suspension bridge to an historic structure just before we get to Queenstown. And halfway along this bridge, AJ Hackett's pioneered an operation called bungee jumping. So it's an iconic New Zealand adventure sport. So let's go and find somebody who's brave enough to jump off this bridge into the Kawarau River.
Lake Haze while the sun shines.
Well, it's Ray here. We've made it to Lake Haze while the sun shines. And this is a fantastic view. Never been here before. And because it's autumn, a lot of the trees are going orange. It's just magnificent. So we're scouting here on Monday and we're looking for the ultimate composition for the next tutorial. I think I'll just have a wander and try and nail this composition. This is a composition without the CPL filter, and this is a composition with a lot of polarization, enough so you can see the clouds, but you don't want too much blue. So it's a complementary color scheme, blue versus orange. They play off each other really well. Okay, let's take an image. Now what I'm going to do is do a panoramic shot and shoot about 5 or 6 images in the vertical format and stitch them later on in Photoshop. Let's see how it turns out. We've moved location around Lake Haze further to the east. Okay, now we're looking at Cecil Peak on the far side of Lake Wakatipu. I'm just really hoping and praying for some magic hour light on the clouds above Cecil Peak. Let's try that. We're finishing the whole day here at Lake Haze and it's been fantastic. We've been to a few tourist places and quite a few photography hot spots as well, and I'm just the sun's almost gone. There's hardly any light left on Cecil Peak and I'm about to call it a day. So see you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers. Watch out for upcoming episodes where we visit the Winter Festival in Arrowtown. Ray makes the morning pilgrimage to join dozens of shutterbugs at that Wanaka tree. And Ray does some serious thinking about creating original images.